Hello and thank you for being with us. For this episode we've met some of the engineers of the different programs and we've asked them to tell us more about their graduation projects.
So this is Project Embottler It. The goal is to use this robot to do various things, such as drive around automatically, welcome guests that enter into a building. We started this project from scratch. There was absolutely nothing. We only had the board, so we wrote an entire piece of software to control the motors, to use a web app, to connect to Wi-Fi and remotely use it with a joystick.
So the project entails working around a system that involves laser tracking device. Our job was to read out multiple input devices, send out the statuses of each of those input devices to a main controller over an RS485 connection.
We designed the UI for a self-controlled window setup. The GUI does the calibration of the motors, so they know how to move and when to move.
We improved the flashing procedure of the element controller so it can be used in high volume production. And also we made an end-of-line test.
The goal of our project was to make a graphical application to make animations in order to better sell this display. We are able to make different kind of animations, putting the image on random positions, let it slide in and out.
Our team made a web application to store information about employees and consultants of Nalys. Let's imagine that a business developer is looking for a senior in Java. Then you can use our search page to find somebody.
We made a user space driver for a LED driver chip. There's already a driver for this chip in the Linux kernel, but the driver was not good enough, so they asked us to create a new driver which would allow them to blink LEDs at a much lower frequency, and that's what we did.
That's it for today. Thank you for following our adventures. It has been a pleasure to share with you our latest news during the last 2 months. Do not hesitate to visit our website to know more about our activities. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our next videos. Bye bye!